This 5-minute solution will show you how to log in with Discord token. So if you're trying to log in with Discord token, follow these easy steps. And note this, you can't log in with Discord token from mobile. So all you have to need just log in with Discord token using your computer. Open a browser and open Discord login page. And once you're here, click on this three dot, click on more tools and click on developer tools, and now click on this icon and select application, and here expand local storage and click on discord.com, and here scroll down, double click on this blank space and here type token and write here your Discord token. And now all you have to need, just press Ctrl+R, and that's how you will be able to log in with Discord token. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.